Baking soda has long been a home remedy for so many things, but did you know that baking soda is a great way to clean your hair? Today's video discusses homemade baking soda shampoo. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. This recipe is so simple and can give your hair body and volume without stripping your scalp of its much needed natural oils. At first, you may notice that your hair is a bit oilier than usual. Give it a little time to adjust and balance. Also, because you are used to the foamy actions of most shampoos, this method may seem odd at first. Give it time and you will love the results. So let's get started making your at-home baking soda shampoo. Homemade baking soda shampoo. Total time 5 minutes. Serves about 8 ounces. Ingredients: 1/4 cup baking soda, 3/4 cup purified water, 10 drops lavender essential oil, clean shampoo bottle. Directions: place the baking soda in the bottle, add the purified water, shake well. Add the lavender, shake again, making sure all ingredients are well blended. Gently massage or dollop or two into the hair and scalp. Rinse well. Are you going to try this homemade shampoo? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.